Going on, Nerd Gang? This is your guy, Nerdy, and I'm back with another How It Works. And this is from 11 Labs, okay, guys? Listen, if this is your first time to the channel, like, subscribe, share, do all those good things here at How It Works, or Nerdy's Umbrella, let me say it this way. Here at Nerdy's Umbrella, everything that we do it by the playlist. So if you're only here to figure out how things works, understand that throughout the video, you're only going to get cards for things on how it works. And at the end of the video, you'll get a playlist that is only for how it works. But there are other things on the channel. Please do check those out. And let's get right into this. As you can see, it says, "Good afternoon, Nerdy. Hey, how you doing? What's going on?" You clicked on the thumbnail. You know what today's video is about. Listen, also, too, down in the description, there is a link, an affiliate link. So if you guys decide that 11 Labs is for you, or you just want to try it out, listen, click on that link. It helps the channel out a bit, and it helps me continue to put out this type of content and keep it pushing forward. All right. So listen, I'm here to break down, or in this, at least in this video, I want to show you guys something cool that has popped off in Studio 3.0, and I just wanted to kind of share it with you guys. So 11 Labs is getting better by the day. I can honestly tell you that, hey, they have literally been updating ever since I've joined. It seems like there's an update every week or update every few days, but it's better. Okay, it is way better than what one thought was before. You thought you had a toolbox that was awesome. This is a toolbox that just keeps getting more awesome than one can imagine. So let's go click over here and let's go to the studio. So this is the new studio, right? Today you clicked on this, and I'm talking directly to those folks who like to do scripts. I'm talking directly to those who want to do monologues. I'm talking to those who want to, kind of get into writing short films and things like that. Well, guess what? 11 Labs can help you do that as well. Okay, so right here in the studio, we have things. This is the new improved Studio 3.0, right? We got the new audio book. You can start from scratch, create a podcast, URL to audio, voiceover from any web page, right? Or you can just come right here, and what we're going to focus on today is the AI script generator, right? New video, voice, add new sound effects and music, captions, and all those good old stuff, right? Fix voiceover mistakes, AI. I will do videos individually on all of these. I might group some of them together just depending on how long they are, just so that you guys can get a see. But like I say, today we are here for the AI script generator, right? And this is the beauty of it, right? It's simple as you want it to be. AI script generator. Describe the script or the story that you want them to generate. I know some of you guys can say, hey, well, can I just do that with any one of these other AI programs? You can, but what makes it stand out? You know what I mean? It can generate it, but will it talk it to you? Like, some people need to pick up and read over. They need hands on the paper so they can memorize a script. But what if your script can be told to you so you can hear it out loud and you can memorize it that way? 11 Labs is here. Have no fear. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do let's do a script generator. Let's talk about grilled cheese. So let's go. Give me a write a script, a skit. Bones. Let's write a funny skit about losing a grilled cheese sandwich, with a little dark humor. If I can type. So there we go. Got a little dark humor there, and let's get it. We're gonna write a skit about losing a grilled cheese sandwich with a little dark humor. Let's see how well 11 Labs does this. Holy crap, this is a 6-minute script. Let's see something. Okay, here's a funny skit about losing a lost grilled cheese with a touch of dark humor. Now, if you guys look down, it generated it, and it's a 6-minute script. I'm not going to play the whole thing, right? But let's see, the scene, it sets the scene, right? The scene is slightly messy kitchen. A person, Alex, is frantically searching, right? And then it gives you, so it's already giving you what the scene is, which is awesome. So you know what you're looking at, right? This can help you. This can help you, right? To, in my opinion, to build it out. So if you have a studio, if you have a green screen, wink, wink, you can do these things, right? So let's do this, right? And then you, if you want to, if you already have voices, you can use it in certain different voices or whatnot, right? So I already have all my voices here, nerdy voices, virtual nerdy voices selected. We're gonna let that apply. So his voice is there. And if I need to remove background audio, we can do that. Voice changer to modify. Just let you know the extra things that you can do. Speech, sound effects, music, audio, video, and those are other things, right? So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna hit play on this. What is this right here? Open pronunciations editor. Awesome. I think that is pretty. And then you get to select the dictionary, find more dictionaries, or create a new dictionary. Ooh, interesting. We'll come back to that as the first time I seen it, but we will come back to that. Here we go. So it's generated. I'm gonna hit the play button and let's take a listen.
Okay, here's a funny skit. Here's a funny skit about a lost grilled cheese with a touch of dark humor. The scene is a slightly messy kitchen. A person, Alex, is frantically searching. Where is it? Where could it possibly be? It was right here. I saw it. Golden brown, perfectly toasted, cheese oozing out like a cheesy lava flow. My masterpiece, my comfort, my reason for getting out of bed. Alex rummages through a drawer, then opens the refrigerator, peering inside with intense scrutiny. Not in the fridge, obviously. It's a grilled cheese, not a dairy product that needs to be kept at a constant, soul-crushing 37 degrees Fahrenheit. It was meant to be enjoyed at its peak, its warm, buttery zenith. Alex moves to the counter, sifting through a pile of mail. Was it the mailman? Did he have a vendetta against perfectly grilled sandwiches? Did he see my culinary triumph and think, this shall not stand? Unlikely. He seemed more interested in delivering junk mail and existential dread.
So you guys kind of get the point, right? You can make some modifications here, and I guess the reason why I've done this before, I've generated one of these before, but it didn't give me all of this right here. And I wonder if you can change. Let's see something. There we go. So I wouldn't want Austin. Let's see something. Well, let's see.
Alex walks to the living room, peering under the sofa cushions.
Did I eat it and forget? Number.
Now, I want you guys to understand how cool that just became. When I say how cool that just became, understand. So if you are doing a visual and you created the scene and you wanted to add some animation into this, you can have like the narrative speaking, right? So I got Austin reading these parts right here, and then I actually have Nerdy's voicing the actual lines. So you get a narration, and then you get the person's voice. So I wonder how many voices you can add up in here. So let's just see. I guess if I can change every single part, let's see. Oh wow, okay. I'm gonna just kind of go back and forth and just add and see how many people I can add in here. to do this, because if that's the case, then guys, that in itself is a game changer. That's just you being able to piece together a whole scene, or this right here, you can actually take this, and if you want to create like a short cartoon or something with animation or whatnot, you can have the different voices in here to do that. And here's the whole scene, here's how things are going to play out, and you can use these different voices, and which is crazy. So up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 voices on this as of right now. And I don't want to say that there's a limit, but maybe not. Let's see. I'm just gonna keep switching in and out. We got Dr. John. We got Hope. We got Hope. Is Hope in here? No, we're gonna put Hope in the next one, right? And I guess you can just add up to however many you need to. Yeah, so we're at 9 voices right now. So that in itself, right? There go Alex. There go Betho. So you can just change it. And I believe if you come down here, you can, like I say, if you wanted to change something in here, you can come in here and you can make your edits as you need to, right? If you want to change who that person is speaking at, I'm gonna put Juniper there, right? And then boom, as you can see, now it's a whole different voice. So if we go, that was nerdy, we'll go here, we'll push the play button. It's generating.
Did I eat it and forget? Number. That's impossible. The consumption of such a sandwich is an event, a sacred ritual. It's not something you just do unconsciously. It requires focus, appreciation, maybe a small reverent sigh.
Alex spots a half-eaten bag of chips on the coffee table.
Chips. Pathetic. A pale imitation of true cheesy bliss. This is an insult. An affront to everything I stand for.
Alex returns to the kitchen, looking increasingly desperate.
Just think about the possibilities, guys. IIElevenLabs is giving it to you right now. What I would say is, all right, we have you have a software. You have IIElevenLabs, who's giving you, hey, I don't need any voice actors, right? Not trying to take work away from anybody, but if you're a small creator or you're just a content creator and you need something, here it is right here. Crafting your own skit, and of course you can take out the things that you don't want to, right? Like, okay, here's a funny skit, you can take that part out. You can take these out up here, right? Which, that's the parts that you do not need. So you can just come down here and we'll delete those. So there we go. Those parts are gone in the grand scheme of things. And of course, we will just have to move those back to the start, which is kind of ironic, but I get it, I guess. I wonder, would you have to regenerate that? Insert break. You can insert the break. Whatever you want to add, however many voices you want to add, you can do that. I'm telling you, right? This is, if you want, like, so the edit the speech, change block types, direct speech with your voice. This is what you can do. So this in itself, right? Come in here, play around with it. Like I say, you can make some adjustments. I think that this is awesome. I think that this is awesome because of those of who saying, hey, I don't have everything, I don't have all the capital. Listen, get the year subscription, take your time, build out your cartoon, find one of those platforms that does animation good and that allows you to have the back and forth conversations, and basically you upload your audio, and if you can tell the AI, hey, this is this person, this is that person, use this voice when this person is talking, however you want to do it. I'll find something and I'll make it happen and I'll show you guys. But 11 Labs literally just did this for you, gave you a full script. Even if you wanted to do like the still pictures where, hey, I'm gonna put the pictures up and we'll put the text bubbles up. I mean, creating a little bit more work, but at the same time, the voice is already done for you. And then, like I said, you can come in here, and that's one of the things I love. No matter what they crafted for you, you can always come in here and make your own changes to update it to say whatever it is that you want it to say. But that's it for me in this video. This is how to use and generate your own short story, generate your own skits, your own sketches, and how you can pair them up with which we just found out together, multiple voices. And hey, it's gonna be awesome to use this. I'm gonna get creative with this. I'm gonna create another video and actually showing you something full blown, and just show you, hey, this worked. Okay, these would be good for explaining videos. These would be good for some other things. You can come in here and you can do that yourself. But the fact that it allows you to add up to as many as voices as you want, then hey, that is amazing. And as you can see, if you want to put the voice orbs over there, it'll pop it so you'll know who's saying what, and you can keep a flow of what's going. But like I say, until next time, I'm your guy, Nerdy G. This is how it works. This is 11 Labs, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.